Hi everyone, and welcome to Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave, and today we have a 584 International here for an engine rebuild. It has a German D203 engine in it. It's a wet sleeved engine, so it's a nice engine to rebuild. We'll be starting by taking off the tin, stripping off all the excess pieces here so we can get to the motor and get it out of the tractor. I'll get the camera set up so you can see what we're doing and we'll get started. This is the engine balancer. It times to the crankshaft, and it's easy enough to find the mark on the crankshaft, but this balancer doesn't appear to be marked, and that's why I took a real close check before I took it apart. They're kind of notorious for that. No marks or very faint marks, hard to find, and I've rolled it I don't know how many times here, and I can't find any sign of a mark, so I'm going to go with the assumption that it's timed now, and I will make a center punch mark on a tooth here that corresponds with the mark on the crank, and that way I at least have some reference for when I'm putting it back together. Final step now is we're going to drive out the sleeves. I've got a round disc in there. I think it's a piston out of an old hydraulic cylinder actually, but it's the right size, fits nicely on the sleeves, so we can use that as a driver. And then just a good stout steel rod and a hammer, a heavy hammer. Now we'll have to clean the block, get the gasket surfaces ready to take new gaskets and stuff like that, and a little bit of prep work, and we'll be ready to start putting the engine back together. So for today, we'll call that end of part 1, and hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you'll carry on, catch up with this one next video when we start putting the engine back together. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave that in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.